In this video, we're going to be looking at synthetic division. And in number 1, it wants us to divide using synthetic division. And in A, we have 5x plus 4x cubed minus 6 plus x to the fourth over x minus 1. And they want us to write the problem so that the dividend is in descending order and there are placeholders for the missing powers of x. So if you notice that we have x and then x cubed and then 0 factors of x and then x to the fourth, it's not in descending order, and also we're missing x squared, so we need to make sure to include a 0x squared there. So x to the fourth is our highest power, and then we have plus 4x cubed, and then we're going to have plus 0x squared for our placeholder, plus 5x minus 6 divided by x minus 1. And now they want us to set up the problem and complete the synthetic division. So we're going to have 1 as our divisor, and then we're going to have our coefficients of our dividend, which are 1, 4, 0, 5, and negative 6. And then I'm going to draw my horizontal line. And now we bring down the first coefficient, which is 1. And now 1 times 1 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then we have 1 times 10 is 10. Negative 6 plus 10 is 4. And now they want us to state the quotient. So we're going to have this 10 representing 0 factors of x, and we have 1 factor of x, 2 factors of x, 3 factors of x. So our quotient is going to start with x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 10, and our remainder is 4. And now they want us to write the answer in the form of our dividend divided by our divisor, and that equal to our quotient plus our remainder divided by our divisor. So we're going to have x to the fourth plus 4x cubed plus 5x minus 6 over x minus 1 is equal to our quotient, which is x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x plus 10 plus our remainder, which is 4, over our divisor, which was x minus 1. In B, we have negative 12 y to the fourth minus 5y cubed minus y squared plus y plus 3 divided by y plus 3/4. And because we have a plus sign in our divisor, we're going to have negative in our synthetic division. So we're going to have negative 3/4. And then our coefficients of the dividend are negative 12, negative 5, negative 1, positive 1, and 3. And draw our horizontal line. And now we have negative 12 coming down. Negative 3/4 times negative 12 is 9. Negative 5 plus 9 is 4. Negative 3/4 times 4 is negative 3. Negative 1 plus negative 3 is negative 4. And then we have negative 3/4 times negative 4 is positive 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Negative 3/4 times positive 4 is negative 3. And 3 plus negative 3 is 0. So we have a remainder of 0. And this positive 4 has 0 factors of y. And then we have 1 factor of y, 2 factors of y, 3 factors of y. So our quotient is going to be negative 12 y cubed plus 4y squared minus 4y plus 4. And now they want us to write our answer in the form of p of x over d of x is equal to q of x plus r of x divided by d of x. So we're going to have our initial fraction that was given to us, negative 12y to the fourth minus 5y cubed minus y squared plus y plus 3 divided by y plus 3/4 is equal to our quotient, which is negative 12y cubed plus 4y squared minus 4y plus 4 plus our remainder over our divisor, and our remainder is 0, so we don't need to write it. And that's our video on synthetic division part 2.